Huh?
Quite a kick.
Yeah.
I like it though.
I've got this this right here. This is machine gun ammo. It's 200 grain bullet. That's only 147. That kicks way harder.
That's hot.
Yeah.
Have you shot that yet?
Oh yeah. That I'm like used to shooting this gun. And that bothers me.
We got a bruise, huh?
Yeah.
Sure you gotta go, Jim?
I like this.
Hmm.
Old school Lyrens love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Oh, was that last one? Oh yeah.